Hello friends and welcome back to my channel CraftArtz. Today I'm here with a 10-day painting challenge where I will be sharing super easy and beginners friendly paintings. Are you ready for the challenge? So let's see what's the challenge for day 7. And it's a easy watercolor landscape. So let's start painting. And we're done here for today. Get ready for the day 8 challenge. If you like my painting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll see you tomorrow with a new painting. Till then, stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.